Hi, my name is Alyssa. Let's talk about my healthy hair journey with Briogeo. I have naturally blonde hair, kind of like dirty blonde hair, but I do get balayage in the ends. So my main area that I have issues with is sometimes dryness in the ends. Also, my roots just being a little not like as volumized as I would want. My hair is thin, but I have a lot of it. I'm excited for this journey. I'm excited to just kind of see how my hair improves. I naturally have pretty straight to wavy hair. I normally wash my hair about once a week. So yeah, my favorite product with Briogeo is definitely the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. I use it as a replacement of conditioner. So when I wash my hair once a week, shampoo, and then I use that hair mask. And while I'm letting it sit in my hair, I'll wash my body, wash my face, shave, whatever. And I feel like it just makes my hair feel so strong, so soft. Bye!